Consistency, man. That's the name of the game, bro. If you keep going every single day and don't stop, your competition will fall off, bro. These niggas ain't cut like you, bro. They ain't ready for prime time. They ain't trying to really get right. They take days off, this day off, that day off. They lazy. I'm tired. No. Grind every day, one foot in front of the other, bro. And I promise you, I'm gonna be lapping these folks, bro. Give it a year. Watch what happens.
But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish.
Mojo, welcome to another vlogish vlog. Welcome to another vlog, Joe. This is gonna be like a week in a life. This is like the first week of uni and stuff, yo. So yeah, I'm not late, but I'm running late, yo. Because Mujita sent an email yesterday saying that he doesn't allow students that are late, and I know myself. Late. Late. Short and if so that needs to late. Buzz. But anyway, I'm packing my stuff in my bag. I don't think I'm gonna write anything today. I'm just carrying stuff just about okay. So I'm just trying to very important. Then I feel like I should buy a power bank because So I'm gonna take you guys with me to campus and see what will be happening today. I'm excited, but because I feel like these fundo are going to be like very hard, but we'll push through. We've been pushing through. So all the best to everybody who's gonna be watching this. Have like a very good academic year, like with good grades, growth, everything. Be mojo, and don't forget to have fun. Don't forget to have fun because it's gonna be tough. So yeah, let me go to campus. Otherwise, I'm starting a journey of not wearing a beanie or a hat, just to gain my confidence back, so that I can just rock my life without beanies and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, I'm trying that. Much. I don't know if you guys are gonna see my outfit properly, but this is what we're rocking today. This is what we're rocking. Mojo. Be that student, boy. Yo, are you messing up my... Mojo, before we even talk, before we do anything, I know I said I'm gonna stop wearing hats and beanies and what, but it's hot. It's hot in Gwijo. It's really hot. So, but tomorrow, if the weather is good, I'm not gonna wear like a beanie or anything. Plus the outfit needs like a cap or something. So yeah, this is day 2 of the week, and I feel good. Yesterday was great. Yesterday was amazing. After I came back from the thingy, the switch, what I came back, and then I chilled at my place. And then I went back on campus for Gwijo rehearsals because we have a booking on Wednesday and today is Tuesday. So we're busy with that, and today I'm also gonna go there after like my classes. And then yeah, let me vibe because I'm on time. I don't want to be late. So mojo. Bro, class is so chaotic. The lecturer just said we should talk to our neighbors. Imagine, are we in church, bro? But I do it love it. And people are talking. It's wild. Boy. Those are my neighbors. Those are my neighbors. So we were told to tell our neighbors something they don't know about me. And then I said I'm gay. And they are surprised. I mean, I've been saying. Same better.
You are harmless. So why did you stop me from talking to a girl? I said while I'm harmless. I'm just talking to a girl, man. I won't do anything because I'm harmless.
Always, good afternoon. I think the last time I spoke to you guys was when I was in class yesterday. After that, I came back, and then I went for Gwijo rehearsals. We are performing today. It's another performance. I had a class earlier this morning, but I couldn't vlog because I was late. Yeah, well, it's not something new. It's not something new. Don't act surprised. It's not something new. You know me. But I'm gonna be punctual. You know this year, Bhoza Yam. I'm telling you. But yeah, I'm going to class right now. I have a class at 1 up until 2. And then after that, I'm meeting everyone, like the group, and then we're gonna probably rehearse or just, you know, just go and perform. But yeah, and then after that, I'm gonna come back and study. I'm gonna come back and probably edit a vlog, because I have a vlog that I have to be uploaded by the end of this week. So let me change this iDyan and then go to campus. Yabo. Away. This is before the performance. People are bored because other people are not here. So yeah, but Cho. Ay. Oh, no way. We're at Fushini to buy Valentine stuff because we're men in love, boy. I am in love. I'm taking notes, James. I'm taking notes. Next year, I'll do bad. He looks stressed. Flowers. Boy, these people understand. We are students. We don't have money. It's cafe, dairy milk, or I don't know, Kit Kat. and the flowers, and then you're done. You see this thing is a lot. Yeah.
It is 70 times.
70 times what? Are you 70 day? 90. Yo, so you Ferro Rocher 150. Ferro Rocher. Boys. Let's just go home. Can you be my Valentine? Can you be my Valentine? Letela, Aibo. Buy one rose, boy. Now we won, so buy her one rose. But buy two, buy her 2 roses. Mankasana. Hate you. This is a waterfront for Shani again. The Donna lay I got it aside.
Is that car?
We always have calculations. So always have a calculator.
So I dropped that book. I really did. Like I didn't even have to sit there and yazi now but did drop here again. Did drop here. No, because Fetunyani on a serious note now, I had to fit because no. Nendlela Fetu in marks is a shulwe ngayo. There's this big test that counts over like 50. Yeah, but one test poison. One. And Lama Mochilo, it's the hardest. And in a graph, no what. Now, so I was like, no. Yeah, but so I'm not doing that module. It was an economics what module. Yeah, but so I'm going to do something business. They said it's all theory. There's a lot of theory. I'd rather have theory. That's what happened. So now I am cooking, like literally cooking. Like as you can see there, I'm cooking. Finally, because I've been wanting to cook like the whole week, but I'm lazy to cook. So finally I'm cooking, and I've been craving like ipapa. I'm crazy the whole week. The whole week, and I've been lazy to actually cook. I've been eating a song, I've been eating noodles, I've been eating permanent. So right now I'm cooking a papa. I'm a sausage. Something close, because I felt like a stew. Say nyama yenkomo, but I don't have beef, so to produce sausage, at least it's something in Yana close to that. So yeah, I've been craving pap, and I have nobody to cook for pap for me because I don't have a wife. So it's trying. I have to cook on my own. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I think after I'm done, I'm gonna start studying. Just to cover up some more, because I think I'm a class test next week. Sifika boy, I'm succeed to a class test. But what? After the day, nothing too crazy, nothing too what. When we did Tanzania, I feel like I should have won like this, and then not wait Tanzania. But hey, once again, cook manzabi, cook pretty. Inkukhu iqhithiwe amanzi yamini.
84.
85. Wait.
Nah, 94.
Boy, calculate, my boy. Mojo, it's a Saturday. So what's happening today is I just got a text. I was planning on chilling and edit my vlog, but I can't because I just got a text. Remember the module I dropped? I dropped 2. They have a quiz already. It's like the first week fit. They have a quiz that's due tonight. So I got a text from my friend saying that we have a quiz. I'm gonna get busy to try and work on that. But besides that, when I'm done, I'm gonna actually edit my vlog and just chill. And then about yesterday, I don't think I updated you guys about yesterday. I think I just went about my day without talking about to you guys. I only talked to you guys when I was with my friends when we were buying the as a ways of Valentines by so what happened was I went to school right in the morning because I was working. Justice, when was the last time we spoke? I think I was cooking on Thursday. I was cooking on Thursday. In there, and I cooked, and then I ate, and then I slept. I don't know, but something along those lines happened because I know on Thursday I was just after eating, I was on my bed. After eating, you just don't get energy. You just want to sleep. So yeah, that's what happened. And then woke up on Friday. I did that. I went to work, and then after that, I didn't have classes on Friday. So after that, my friends came along, then a couple all the way to Dubai, and his girlfriend stuff. And then we vibed, and then I came back. I was chilling with my boys most of the time. So yeah, and then I came back tired, I slept, and then I'm waking up today. I showered, and then I woke up today, I showered, and then I just chilled and stuff. Now I'm getting a message saying by next year we have a quiz, so I'm working on that. And no, but no choice, vid. No choice, poison. No choice. Otherwise.
Newcastle United.
This is the Manchester City tricky. Near the body car.
I'm not feeling content. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
What's good, YouTube? I'm the guy that's ish. Hey. Hey. Such a smash lap at YouTube. Yo.
The judges are right in front of us here, so we need to come and perform for the judges.